Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Partners capital account, fixed and fluctuating capital. A, B and C are partners in a firm with capital 1 lakh rupees 80,000 and 40,000 respectively. They share profits and losses as up to 20,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2 and above 20,000 equally. The net profit of the firm for the year ended 31st December 2015 amounted to rupees 80,400 and the drawings of the partners were A rupees 12,000, B rupees 10,000 and C rupees 6,000. So the profit and loss appropriation account for the year and capital accounts of the partner when partners capital account are fixed, partners capital account are fluctuating. Interest on partners capital to be paid at 10% per annum. Interest on drawings to be charged at 5% per annum. A to receive salary 6,000 per annum. B and C to get commission at the rate of 5% on each of the net profit. So first let us compute the interest and commission. So interest on capital account at 10% per annum. So interest would be charged for A on 1,10,000, B on 80,000, 8,000 and C on 40,000, 4,000. So the total interest on capital account is 22,000. Interest on drawing at 5% for 6 months, assuming that they are drawing the money at the middle of the month. So A on 12,000 at the rate of 5% for 6 months is 300, B on 10,000 for 6 months 250 and C on 6,000 at the rate of 5% for 6 months is 150. So the total amount interest on drawing charged to the respective partner is 700. Partners commission is B gets commission on 80,400 at the rate of 5%, so 4020. Similarly, C also get 4020. So the total commission is 8,040. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 2015. So in the credit side is net profit 80,400 and on interest on drawing account is 700 as computed. In the debit side would be 22,000 for interest on capital account, partner salary 6,000 for A and commission is 8,040. So the partner's capital account share of profit is 45,060. This computation is shown as share of profit up to 20,000 is 5 at the rate of 5:3:2. That is, A will get 10,000, B will get 6,000 and C will get 4,000. So above 20,000 would be equally. So the net profit is 45,060 minus 20,000 is equal to 25,060 will be shared equally. So the amount would be 8353, 8353, 8354. So the total A will get 10,000 plus 8353 is 18,353. B will get 6,000 plus 8353, so 14,353. C will get 12,354. Partners capital account under fixed capital method. So partners capital account would be the amount contributed by them 1,80,000 and 40,000, that is carried down because no these other transactions are not posted to partners capital account. Partners current account. In the partner's current account, in the debit side is drawings shown as withdrawn by them. Then in the debit is interest on drawing. In the credit side is interest on capital contributed. The details have been shown, explained earlier, by salary partners account to A and commission to B and C. So the you get the and profit and loss appropriation, the amount of share for each partner as explained. So the balance is carried down 22,053 to A, 16,123 to B and 14,224 to C. Partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. So the ledger account would show the balance brought down, that is the amount contributed by partners 1,80,000 and 40,000. So the interest credited to their respective account on capital 10,000, 8,000 and 4,000. So by partner's salary, A gets 6,000. Partner's commission, B gets 4,020 and C gets 4,020. In the debit side would be drawing 12,000 to A, 10,000 to B and 6,000 to C. Interest on drawing account is 300, 250 and 150 respectively to A, B, C. So the balance would be 1,22,053 for A, 96,123 for B and 54,224 for C. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.